Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still in this one blow flower pattern, but today I want to hide my colors under the black again. All my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, so no, I don't have ingredients for the bloom, so I work with my ingredients, what I have, and try to kind of play with that concept of hide and reveal because I like it. Of course, my results are different because I have different ingredients, but that's all okay. You can always work with what you have, not necessarily that you will get the results that you see on other artists that use different mediums, but you can still try. And this is what I'm doing lately. So yeah, I will start with in the middle with this Sapphire Blue. And what I'm worried about a little bit is if I will know where I have my colors, because I want to blow in the middle. This is pearl white. This is permanent red violet. And extreme sheen 24K gold. And now I want to cover this with black, and that I will know where I have my middle. I will just put my up, 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 up. I should have done this before I poured my paint. Now it is what it is. Okie doke. Now I will blow hard here in the middle and see what will happen. really like what is happening. I think that I have too much paint, but yeah, let's thin this out. So here she is. Definitely a different one that you would, get with Bloom recipe. Here I used 24K gold from Extreme Sheen and my pearl white to help with some lacing. I love the middle. I had some hard time with the middle because of that pin. Now I know that I would probably be able to, blow on the right spot even if I wouldn't have that. But yeah, I like it and I can't wait to see it dry. I'm kind of happy that there is not a ton of lacing, but some is still there to add a little something to that flower. So yeah, stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is dry and I love it. Yeah, it is a little dark maybe, but still love it. Love the middle. Cool. Love this transparency of the paints. So yeah, I could have done a better job with blowing it, but I'm still happy, and I wanted to show you that you can create kind of an abstract flower piece just with one blow, or how can I say. So this will be it for today. Thanks for being here and see you again on the next one. Bye!